Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Yes, so hello people. Ayan. It's a Friday and it's grocery day. Kailangan talaga naming mag-grocery every Friday or Thursday para pang namin sa Saturday, kasi Saturday bawal talaga ang business sa amin. No business, no buying, no selling, no working. Kaya before it gets dark, dapat nakaluto na rin kami. Kasi ganun. We are following the laws. So anyway, are we gonna stop by at the to pay? Nice kaayo ang ilang isda. 520, okay. Wait lang ha. So dito tayo. Yan. Bumili lang kami ng pang dinner namin, guys. Ayan, sumaglit kami sa grocery store and then ay nako guys, nakapalit jud ko og lamian kayo nga isda. So ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya, and then bumili na rin ako ng charcoal kay mag-grill na naman kami this Sunday. So darating yung ibang friends ko sa bahay. Ayan yung isda natin. Ayan, isda sa bat. Yan lang good. So, ito na pala yung isda na nabili ko kanina sa fish market. Actually, parang stall lang siya. And ito, meron siyang konting scales. Yan, so ipaliskisa na sa lalaki. Yan. Hello guys, so mag-haul tayo ngayon ng mga pinamili namin kanina. Anyway, baka magtaka kayo guys kung bakit hindi nagsisynchronize yung mga sinasabi ko sa bibig ko. Kasi guys, ayan, voice over lang ako ngayon kasi hindi talaga klaro yung sound nito kasi naka-on yung fan and it's so hot. Kaya hindi ko rin kaya na walang fan. But anyway, ito yung pinamili namin kanina. This is Sanicare wipes. So, lately, nagugustuhan ko ito. And then, Rebisco na crackers. And then, we also have this, ayan, so Danish sandwich, strawberry flavor. Meron din kaming pomelo, guys. I forgot how much it cost. I guess it's 120 pesos. Ganun kaliit. And then, meron din tayong ito, yung oil. Usually talaga, guys, before, olive oil yung mostly na ginagamit namin. Pero, right now, nagtitipid. And then, meron din tayong butter. Ayan siya. So, anyway, medyo nagtitipid kaya kuha tayo ng ibang brand. And then we also bought some microfiber cloth, and then meron din tayong ayan yung hotdog natin na chicken flavor kasi nga ay bawal sa amin yung pork, 'di ba? And we don't really like eating beef. Ito naman yung food ng aming cat na si Neo. Meron din tayong tomato sauce for our spaghetti. Meron din tayong Hershey's chocolates. My husband got 3, 1 for each kasi ayaw niya ng gusto niya talaga yung fair. Meron din tayo ditong coconut juice, my favorite, and I got some mandarins, tomatoes, ayan guys. So, I hope you can see the prices. Meron din tayong 2 avocado, and then I also got some squash, ayan siya, slice na siya. And then, meron din tayong bell pepper, ayan 2. I also got some, ito yung yogurt drink na paborito ni Rachel, 2. Meron tayong small or mini soda. Yan yung ininom ng asawa ko kapag medyo nauseous feeling siya. We try not to drink so much soda lately. Pero ayan, meron pa rin tayong isa pang soda. And then, meron tayong pineapple juice, soy sauce, and then, ayan, iced tea natin. And then, we also have this water. Meron din tayong 2 coconut milk at yun yung aking organizer na gagamitin ko para sa homeschool ni Rachel para ma-organize naman yung mga books niya. Ayan, bumili kami ng ice cream. Ayan, i-treat natin yung sarili natin kung minsan mango flavor, cocoa mango. This should be good. Yan, tapos yung ito ang paborito ko guys, coffee crumble. Ayan, tapos tingnan mo naman ang saging na nabili ko kanina. Wapa kaayo. I paid 140 for this. Yan. Angel. Rachel. Daddy. Yeah, sila ang mga best friends ni Rachel. Okay, where are you going? No, no, go straight. Brianna, tingog-tingog po, Brianna. Focus kay si Brianna, oh. So while nag-enjoy ang mga bata, kami naman dito ni Habi, nagpapahinga. Pa-cute-cute muna ang mga chaperone. Nag-rest sa amin. Amin din sa SM karon. Excited ka na? Let's go, Rachel. Let's hurry up with our food. Mag-open na yung ano. Unsay pangalan ato, Rib? Zoo. Kids Zoo na.
My skirt bangs lonely and soft blue. Just watching you from shade of classroom. Daydreaming about you and me, kissing the rain just like the movie. You're so cool, you're the color back on the tin. Girls get crazy, the kids don't scream. Love you, but you don't know me at all. You're so cute, best quarterback in the state. The girls get crazy, they wanna be a date. Love you, but you don't know me at all. But you don't know me at all.
Go, baby! Hurry up, Brianna!
Crush, laughing, so sad. Walking
Go, Rachel!
my old skin.
Uh-oh. Go, Rachel!
A rainy day is sad.
You're ahead of the game. Go, go, pick it up! Pick it up! Good job! Good job! Hurry up! Go, go, go!